Bank and credit card transactions report. From this report, you can view bank and credit card transaction for a particular period. You can access this report from Banking, Reports, select Banks and Credit Cards Transactions. You can select Date Range. You can select Bank Accounts. You can select Bank Account Categories. You can select Bank Account Status. From Transaction Type, you can select Account Payment, Account Receipt, Customer Receipt, Opening Balance, Supplier Payment, Transfer In, Transfer Out, VAT Payment, VAT Refund. If you don't select any transaction type, system will display all transaction types transactions. If you want to view transactions in bank's currency, you can check this Use Foreign Currency checkbox. Hit View Report button. You can view transactions. From the headings, you can view bank account, category, date range, transactions grouped by bank account. You can view transaction date, payee name, description, reference, transaction type, account, customer or supplier, debit amount, credit amount and balance. For each bank, you can view opening balance, transactions, closing balance and movement for the period. If you check Use Foreign Currency checkbox, system will display transactions in bank's currency. If you uncheck Use Foreign Currency checkbox and refresh, you can view all transactions in home currency. Furthermore, if you uncheck Use Foreign Currency checkbox, you can view the grand total. If you check Use Foreign Currency checkbox, you cannot view the grand total. By clicking this transaction, you can view the original transaction. You can export this report to PDF, Excel or CSV. You can print or email this report.